In a world powered by energy, from electric vehicles to renewable grids, batteries are the silent heartbeat of modern technology. But for engineering students, bridging the gap between abstract theory and real-time battery performance remains a significant challenge. Introducing our Learning Kit Battery Monitoring System, a hands-on platform integrating hardware with an intelligent AI chatbot interface. Using a Raspberry Pi and precise sensors, the system tracks live data while the chatbot provides instant interactive feedback and explanations, empowering the next generation of engineers through innovative and interactive learning. Let's redefine energy education together. Revolutionize engineering education with IoT. This system bridges the gap between hardware and digital data, linking a battery to a Raspberry Pi. Precise sensors monitor voltage and current in real time, feeding accurate measurements directly to the processing unit for analysis. The software layer uses Node-RED. Real-time dashboards transform raw data into dynamic graphs for intuitive visualization. Stay connected anywhere. A Telegram chatbot sends instant updates on battery status, making remote monitoring truly seamless. This is the future of interactive learning, empowering students with a complete, integrated IoT monitoring solution.